Hey guys, Aaron here again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the windshield wiper arms from my Porsche Boxster 986. That's exactly the same process on many different Porsche models, and it is really simple to do. Done. I'm going to go up to the wiper arms. They just have a little protective plastic cap. Just pop that off. I've never removed these before, so don't know exactly what to expect, but I'm going to put some painter's tape right above them so that when I put them back on, I have an idea that they are in the right spot. And this is a 13 millimeter nut. Wow, this one was on really loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the other side first. No! Good, right there. Just have to pull out the 1/4 inch socket and ratchet combo here to fit down under here. Gotcha. Windshield wiper arms are held on by a pressed, tapered fit. So you can't just yank them off, but on this car, for the driver's side one in the US, you can lift this under here and that's enough for it to just come off. It was that easy. For the left side, you have to close the hood and you just come up and do it from above the exact same way. Raise that wiper blade and it will lift off. Reinstallation is as simple as popping this back on here. Carefully lowering the blade, and you can see that does not line up. So adjust as necessary until it comes back down on your tape line. Reinstall that nut, and when you tighten it, it will push this back in place and everything is good to go. And when you tighten this nut back down, you can look in the manual and it will tell you that it is 17 Newton meters or 13 foot-pounds. So that's all there is to it. I hope you guys found this helpful. If this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing. I've got a ton of content on my channel about Porsches and Boxsters in general. Give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next project. Thanks.